There everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages on iOS 17. If your iPhone isn't getting text messages, it can be really issue. You might be missing important stuff, especially since lots of people use text to chat. It's a big deal if you have ever missed a text, you know the feeling. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages. So guys, our step number one is turn on the airplane mode and turn it off. If you're facing any network issues on your iPhone, the first step is to give your iPhone a quick airplane mode on and airplane mode off treatment. This little trick will help your iPhone connect to the nearest signal tower and get your mobile network back on track. So you have to simply scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and you can see your option airplane mode. Simply enable it, wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. After this, then our step number 2 is check the network connection. If you are in a location where there is very less or no signal, then chances are you would not receive any messages. After this, then our step number 3 is restart your iPhone. When your iPhone is acting up, sometimes you just need to give it a good old restart to set things right. It is like hitting the reset button on a malfunctioning report. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Then our step number 4 is disable and re-enable the iMessages. Now it's time for a good old turn it off and turn it on again trick. But in this case, we are talking about iMessages. If you are having trouble receiving text messages on your iPhone, try disabling and then re-enabling iMessages in your settings. It is like a little reset button for your messaging app. So you have to open your settings, scroll down until you see messages, tap on it, tap on iMessages and enable it. So guys, after this then our step number 4 is check for software updates. If you are still facing the iPhone not receiving text messages even after trying all the tricks, it is time to check for software update on your iPhone. Believe me, software updates are like a dose of medicine that your iPhone needs to stay bug free. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is reset your network settings. It seems like you have tried every method in this video to fix your iPhone not receiving text messages issue and nothing worked out for you. But don't sweat it. I have got one last trick up my sleeves. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages. If this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.